Hey everyone, this is the Bissell Guy 200 here. Thank you for stopping by. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, also turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. One more thing, make sure to subscribe to my other channel, Lord's Not Fast. That's all I gotta say. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more vacuuming videos. This is Lord's Not Fast. Okay. Oops. Phone fell down. Shut it. Good morning. How's everybody doing today? This is the Bissell Guy 200 here, and I'm going to be doing a video for you guys today. It's with the new Bissell 2191 that I just received a couple of days ago. It's a replacement machine, by the way. We're going to be doing a review of it and everything to show you what it comes with. So yeah, let's get started. So as you can see, it comes your standard tools like the little ricky-dicky brush and everything. It works. But this one has the brand new bristles and everything, unlike that other one has a worn out one because I was dragging it on the floor. So yeah. Little crevice tool. Extension wand. You just plug it in like this. You grab the hose. Then you put it into the hole. And then you go. And then you just start cleaning. Just put the camera down for a second. Okay, so I'm going to put this little thing in. Put the hose back on. Okay. And here's your power cord right here. Just go ahead and unplug it, wrap it. So yeah. Now be careful, guys. It's going to have a little sound issue where it sounds like it's wearing something. I don't know why it's escaping like air or something. I don't know if it's escaping air or something, but it just sounds totally weird. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Make sure it doesn't turn on. Nice. Let's make sure that the power... Okay, yes it does. That's good. Give me a minute, buddy. Alright, come on, Mocha. Let's go out. I don't need you. I don't want you in here while I vacuum. Okay. Let's put you all down right here. Okay, by the way, I am going to speak up. This video, was supposed to be a video of the Clean View bagless. But like I said in the other video, I don't have that machine anymore. And I'll talk about why. I sold it on eBay for parts for about 50 bucks. Well, it was supposed to be for 40 bucks, but $13.99 for shipping, so it's kind of almost like 50 bucks almost. So yeah. It was kind of like $54, so yeah. It's not the price of this machine. But I didn't care. I just needed to get rid of that machine anyways, because I was getting a brand new one. So yeah, as you can see, here it is in all this glory. I did clean up the bottom base of it because it looked disgusting. Still looks brand new too. Just weird how I did that. Okay, so be prepared to turn down your volume because it's going to be loud. So let's get started. Y'all ready? Let's go. Wow, so that's great. Try that again. Take a look at the suction. What was that? Whoa! Why is it doing that? Yeah, you can bury it here, whatever. Is it extra? Okay, that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. So, this is the first video ever that I made on the CSX. No, I mean, not CSX, but Bissell Guy 200, the Bissell Guy 200 channel. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos. Also, I will be putting my intro and outro in this one. Make sure to stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you in the next one. This has been a Bissell Guy 200 video. And anyways, this is Bissell Guy 200 signing out. Peace out, guys. Hello, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family. Make sure to subscribe. Also, check out my Twitter, check out my Instagram, and also please check out my Facebook. I'll probably post some vacuuming photos up there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This is Largemouth Bass signing out. Bye.